In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gradient effect on your text using Photopea. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to spruce up your design skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process. So let's dive right in and add some vibrant flair to your text. First, we need to head over to Photopea. It's an incredibly versatile online photo editing tool that's accessible through any web browser. To start, simply open your preferred browser and type in photopea.com. Once the site loads, you'll be greeted with an interface quite similar to what you might see in Photoshop, but it's all web-based, no downloads necessary. This makes Photopea a fantastic option for quick edits and creative projects on the go. Now that you're in Photopea, the next step is to select the text you want to apply the gradient to. If you haven't already, create a new document or open an existing one and make sure your text layer is active. On the right side of the screen, in the Layers panel, you'll see your text layer ready for some extra style. Click on it to ensure it's selected. A handy tip here is to keep your layer names organized. This way, you can avoid confusion when working on more complex projects. After selecting your text, we're going to access the Layer Style options. You can find this by looking for an F logo situated at the very bottom right of the screen. Clicking on this icon will pop up various styling options for you to experiment with. What we are interested in is the Gradient Overlay option, so go ahead and click on that. Up pops a new window with all sorts of gradient settings. Here, you're going to see options to adjust the gradient's colors, style, angle, and scale, allowing you to fully customize how your gradient appears. Experiment with these settings to see how they impact your text's appearance. You might start by selecting a preset gradient just to get a feel for the effect, and from there, you can fine-tune the settings to suit your vision. Remember, gradients are a fantastic way to add depth and interest, so play around until you're happy with the result. Once you've tweaked the settings to your satisfaction, simply hit OK, and voila! Your text now boasts a beautiful gradient effect. And just like that, with Photopea's intuitive tools and a little bit of creativity, you've transformed your text into something eye-catching and professional. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to enhance your design projects with a gradient text effect. Thanks to Photopea's user-friendly platform, adding vibrant color gradients to text has never been easier. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel inspired to try out more styles and effects. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing.